Hey Imagineers, we are Team Astra Hackers, Anissa, Median, Akash, Florian and Edit. Our goal today was to be able to support our friend Tarzan. He is a former foster care kid and he wants to help Zoe, Haley, Jocelyn and Hannah towards the process of design thinking their future. Haley grew up with her mom and her boyfriend who would beat her when her abusive dad wasn't at home. Hannah, when she was 11, her grandmother started to drink and she became physically abusive. Approximately 14,050,000 children turn 18 and age out of the system each year. Many have never interviewed for a job or signed a lease before and have no one to show them how. Some don't fully understand what sex is or how they can get pregnant. Some are quick victims for human traffickers, having no one to miss them when they disappear. According to a study of formerly institutionalized youth in Russia, 10% of former foster care kids commit suicide. 40% become homeless, 60% of girls turn to prostitution, 70% of boys are convicted of a crime. And these statistics really fed up Tarzan, and he would like to build a wonder app that supports orphan children on the journey to take the reins of their lives, know their rights and where to ask for support, become independent and design their future the same as we all do. He's fed up of calling them people with a disease. Everybody has a right to project their future. We need to break the stigma around foster care centers by supporting teenagers to be the owners of their future. And actually, we wanted to support Tarzan here by using Power Platform and all the components that come with it. So the solution looks like this. By logging into the application, there is a motivational quote and also role models who really made it. As soon as she logs in, Zoe is able to protocol in a journal how is she feeling. This will help her when she will have her yearly performance talk with the social specialists. She has a place where she can read about her rights and how does the state support her financially. Another place to socialize with people who have similar talents, who made it, role models, or also people who could be her life mentors and also people who could support her financially remotely. There is a chatbot integrated that takes care to make sure that when Zoe, for example, feels down, reminds her to be grateful and think of beautiful moments that she might have experienced yesterday or also today. Going back to the application, when you click on Design Your Future, she has the option to see different sections, motivational videos and TED Talks, for example, learning path and also games, different games that assist her towards the process of developing life skills or also professional skills. She also has the ability to log in the application, take some courses in different directions, for example, design, developing, medicine and other areas she might be talented or interested at. Check her course activity, calendar activity, how many exercises did she perform overall, and also points. There is a gamification system that supports her towards the process of learning and improving her skills. Going back to the presentation, how does the architecture of this solution look like? Well, we use different components of the platform. The Power Virtual Agents, this 24/7 friend who motivates, encourages and enables to be able to feel gratitude and mindfulness. Power Automate to automate and manipulate data. Dataverse for scalability. Power BI for different dashboards like mood graphic or monthly mood report, and design thinking the future like personalized and safe skill development based on hobbies, talents, daily activity, and also gamification in the background to make the whole journey more enjoyable. You might ask, what is next? Well, we would like to be able to complete all features and make the application accessible for every type of user, to test the MVP with a real end user and adapt it accordingly, and also consider including psychologists to make the model the motivational aspect of the application, so that Zoe, her friends, Tarzan and everybody out there is able to design think their future.